Lesson 2-2, simplify and evaluate algebraic expressions. So in this video, we are going to be looking at algebraic expressions, being able to identify the parts of an algebraic expression, and then simplify and evaluate those expressions. So first, let's look at some vocabulary. When it says to evaluate, it just means to simplify it, to solve it. The term is a group of letters and or numbers separated by mathematical operations or symbols. Like terms have the same variables and exponents. So like if you had 4x and another one is a 5x, those are like terms because they have the same variable and same exponents on it. Therefore, you can add them together. 4x plus 5x would give you 9x. We have constants, which all constants are all numbers. And coefficients are just those numbers that are attached to a variable. So in the example here, 4, 2, and -9 are all constants. But 4 and 2 have specific names. Those are considered coefficients. And then we have three terms here, 4x, 2y, and 9, because those are all groups of numbers and or letters. So let's take a look at an example of some expressions. Here we're going to evaluate it, and they tell us what to put in for a, b, and c. So we need to evaluate a plus b divided by c. For a is 12, b is 3, c is -5. So that means I'm going to have 12 plus 3, and I'm going to divide all that by -5. So 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 divided by -5 is going to give us -3. Next, 5x cubed y squared. For x is 2 and y is -3. I have 5 times 2 cubed times y, which is -3 squared. So this is going to give us 5 times 8 times 9. 5 times 5 times 8 is 40, and 40 times 9 is 360. Next, evaluate each expression when a is 3, b is -2, and c is 5. So a is 3, b is -2, and c is 5. 2 times 3 is -6. -6 times 5 is -30. Next, I have 3 squared minus the absolute value of a -5. The absolute value of -5 is 5. So this is now going to be 9 minus 5, which gives us an answer of 4. C cubed, so I'm going to put a 5 in because C is 5. I have cubed minus 4 times A, which is 3, times B, -2 squared. So 5 cubed is 125, minus 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 squared is 4. So this is going to give us 125 minus 48. And if I do that on the side here, 125 minus 48, 15 minus 8 is 7, 11 minus 4 is 7, so this will equal 77. And this next one, B, is -2. So -2 times our A, which is 3, plus our C, which is 5. -2 plus 8, or -2 times 8 is -16. And the next ones, we're just going to combine like terms. We don't know what the variables equal, so that's why we're just simplifying the expression. So I add like terms, so 5x plus 3x is 8x minus 3y plus 8. There are no other like terms in it, so that would be my simplified expression. Next, I have my n's, so 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 2 is 9, 9n. And then the absolute value of -5 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. So we would have 9n plus 11. Next, need to distribute the -9. So that's a -9x plus 9y, because a -9 times a -1y is 9y, plus 3y. I have like terms here, so my answer is going to be negative 9x plus 12y. And over here we have like terms here and like terms here. So 31 plus 5 is 36, plus 9 plus 1. Remember, there's a 1 in front. That's 10, n squared s. Now, does the order matter? No, the order doesn't matter. You could have had 10n squared s plus 36. That would still be the same. And a few other examples. Here we have like terms here and here. So 3 plus 2 is 5. M squared n plus the absolute value of negative 8 is 8. Next, I have 4w minus 1w is 3w plus 3. And then over here, I have an xy squared, an xy squared, and xy squared. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So we have 2xy squared. And then I have 5 plus the absolute value of negative 7, which is 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. So that is our lesson on simplifying and evaluating algebraic expressions.